Hey everyone, welcome to this brand new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to make this simplistic and very clean looking login page. So as you guys can see, this looks really clean, and also I added a transition for the password. So when you hover over it, it gives you this nicely transition, and also you can type your password and stuff. And also I have the linear gradient, beautiful linear gradient. So if you guys are new here, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Twitter, which will be in the description down below. And with that said, I'm just gonna get started. So first thing, I have all the codes here, so I'm gonna delete everything so I can do it from scratch. So login HTML, then I wanna name this login form, and I'm gonna link this to the CSS file login.css. Once that's done, I come to the body and open up a new div, and I'm gonna name the class as login form. And to make a for login form, you need to make a tag called form and make that I'm gonna use a class. So if you guys want, you guys can use the class, but in my preference, I'm gonna use a class. I'm gonna use the p tag for the text. I'm gonna name it username, and then input is for the the actual password and the input stuff. So username, and after the name put placeholder. This is where the text appears, and another p tag below it. Password input, password placeholder, password. So now we need submit, and then the value should be login. So once this is done, this is username is for the username, actually password, and submit login is for the buttons. So once that's done, I'm going to save it quickly. I'm going to go to the CSS file, get a universal set. I do this all the time, padding 0, and I'm gonna get a font family as sans serif. I've not got the actual stuff. So dot login form background, I'm gonna get a linear gradient. So background image linear gradient, sorry, linear gradient to top to purple to blue. I actually lost the hex codes, so I'm gonna get this hex code. So I'm gonna increase the height to run about 600, so it looks like this. So once that is done, I'm gonna get the actual login stuff. So as you guys can see, it's on over there. So the class is holder. You're gonna get the position to absolute, and the top is, we'll get it to run about 30%. Yes, that's correct. And left, I'll get it to about 45. And now login form, for the input and the p, we need the display to be inline block. So like that. Will decrease the left a little bit so it align to the middle, and the top by 35% or even 40, like it's your preference. So now we need a margin. So the way we do it is basically put margin 0 pixels and 15 pixels on the left and right. So that's the way it probably should look. I'm gonna decrease the left again, to around about 25. So now that we done that, we need the padding done. Pixels on the top and bottom, 30 pixels left and right. Yes, that's cool. So decrease the left again. Yes, that's cool right now. So now that it's almost done, we need to add the effects. So I'm gonna add a hover effect, login form, input, uh, you know, im yeah, only for the P hover. We need a border of 2 pixels, solid purple. So you'll see, as you guys can see, but we only need a border bottom and border bottom. So it's like that. You can also change the color. I'm gonna put it to blue, so it will come like that. After that's done, now it's almost done, guys. So thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please share it and subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. And also follow me on Twitter, and bye.